Welcome back to Mundo Explained. Our topic of today's lesson is using apostrophes with possessives. Now, apostrophes can be used to signify missing letters, but most importantly for today's lesson, we're going to be talking about how to use apostrophes to indicate possession. That is, how do we use grammar to show that someone we are writing about owns something. Generally, for singular nouns, we indicate possession by using an apostrophe and an S. One dog's dinner. For plural nouns, we generally move the apostrophe to the end of the S to show that there are multiple dogs and that those dogs own something. Two dogs' dinner. In this case, the two dogs are sharing one dinner for some reason. Maybe it's a plate of spaghetti and meatballs. For plural nouns that end with an S, we only usually add an apostrophe after the S to indicate possession. So let's say we have the singular here, one teacher's instructions. Here we have the apostrophe and then the S. So if we were to make that plural, and we have the instructions of two teachers S apostrophe instructions. Otherwise, for plural nouns that don't end with an S, and so are called irregular, we add the apostrophe and then also add the S. Children's toys, geese's honks, and people's boats. Well, what about names? Well, of course, if something belongs to Harry, then we would put an apostrophe and then an S to indicate possession. Harry's dog. But what if something belongs to a group of people? Let's say it belongs to the Smith family. Then we would write the Smith's dog, with the S here indicating all the people in the Smith family, and the apostrophe indicating that they all own the dog. Now, what if the dog belongs to a family which has a name ending in S? So let's say the Jones family. So to indicate plurality, we would add ES, the Joneses. And then we have a dog belonging to all of the Joneses. So we have the Joneses, then the apostrophe, dog. Whew. To clarify, it's versus its. It is a contraction of the two words it is. So this apostrophe here is not indicating possession, it's indicating a missing letter. Over here, it's, without an apostrophe, is the singular possessive pronoun and does indicate possession. Singular nouns tend to take apostrophe S when showing possession. Plural nouns tend to be the other way around, so S apostrophe. Remember, some plural nouns are irregular, so if the actual word changes, we'll be sticking with apostrophe S. And if the word already ends in an S, we'll be adding ES and then the apostrophe to indicate possession. That's it for today. Thanks very much for watching. See you again next time.